So I got my MacBook Pro 2020 with the M1 chip, and I was getting this error. I'm getting this error constantly when I'm trying to install Brew. So when I'm just going to show you. So from here, I'm copying it from brew.sh, pasting it over here, and installation is, I'm going to enter my password and return, and installation happens. Basically it takes a couple of seconds, and I get this warning over here, right? And when I write brew, it tells me command not found. So I went online and I searched the error, and I got this particular solution. So what you just need to do is basically go here, do nano, paste z, the solution. I'm gonna link this page in my video description. So when I do that, I go all the way at the bottom, and then I copy this thing over here. So I'm gonna paste that, do a Control X followed by Y, and then return, and then I'm gonna restart. I can just use this source, and that will work as well. Now when I do a brew, it will return, it will work. So now I can install tree and whatever I want to do with Homebrew.